Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to auto-update weak passwords in iOS 27 or later. Keeping your online account secure often means using strong, unique passwords. But updating weak or compromised passwords one by one can be a tedious affair. In iOS 27 and later, Apple makes this process easier with a new password management feature in the Passwords app. With the help of Apple Intelligence and Safari, your iPhone or iPad can now automatically navigate to supported websites, sign into your account, generate a stronger password, and update it for you with just a tap. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the Passwords app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to authenticate using a Face ID or Touch ID. After that, you have to hit the Security tab. Then you have to tap on the Get Started option to allow the Passwords app to automatically update all the identified weak passwords. Then make sure to follow the instructions to complete the whole process, if prompted. The ability to automatically update weak and compromised passwords makes managing account security much more convenient in iOS 27 or later. Instead of manually visiting each website and going through the password change process, you can now let Apple Intelligence and Safari handle eligible accounts for you. However, the feature only works with supported websites, so some passwords may still need to be changed manually. If you regularly use Apple's Passwords app, this new option can be a pretty simple way to strengthen your accounts and keep your digital credentials more secure. Now that you've unlocked this pretty cool feature, make the most of it to safeguard your accounts with the help of strong passwords and